Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on Facebook update from friend notification setting. Friends, you want to use Facebook update from friend notification setting. So friends, now let's see how to turn on update from friend notification setting on Facebook account. One by one, step by step friends, we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all guys, subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. First of all guys, tap on your Facebook application. After turn on Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook application. So when first of all we will turn on Facebook setting. So friends, setting we will turn on. Facebook setting we will turn on. After turn on Facebook setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook account. So friends, Facebook notification setting we will tap here. After turn on Facebook notification setting friends, comment notification is here, tag notification is here. Friends, you can see tag notification, get tag. Also friends, get notification when you are tagged by anyone, friend to friend and only friend. So you can set here, you can use your tag notification setting. Friends, you can see reminder notification, allow notification on Facebook, and you don't want to allow, so you can turn off your reminder notification on your account. More activity about your notification you want to off, so you can turn off. You want to use, so tap here cancel option. Update from friends. First of all guys, you can see this option. These notification, these are notification about your friend. This notification about your friends activities, like when they updated their status, profile, and when they share a photo. For example friends, your friend updated her status and you want to use update from friend notification on your Facebook account. So friends, you will have to turn on your Facebook update from friend notification setting, then you can use it. If you tap here allow option, after allow guys, three options will show on your screen: push, email and SMS. So you want to on and you want to off, so you can turn off from here. So like that friends, you can use update from friend notification setting on your Facebook account. For an example friends, you can see when your friend will update her status, so you can use update from friend notification setting. Bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Before going guys, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye.